Our today's program is write a program in Python using if dash elif statement to input your choice and perform the following operations. If value of choice is 1, program will calculate area of square. If value of choice is 2, program will calculate area of rectangle. If value of choice is 3, program will calculate area of circle. If value of choice is 4, program will calculate area of triangle. Open Python software, calculate option file and choose option new file. Choice print, press 1 to find area of print, press 2 to find area of rectangle. Print, press 3 to find area of circle. Print, press 4 to find area of triangle. Now take variable choice equal to int input, enter your choice. If choice equal to 1 colon, if choice equal to 1 colon, s equal to int input, enter side of a square, a बराबर s into s, print the area of square is a. Elif choice equal to 2 colon, l equal to int input, enter length of rectangle, b equal to int input, enter breadth of rectangle. A equal to L into B, print the area of rectangle is A. Elif choice equal to 3, R equal to float, input, enter radius of circle, A equal to 3.14 R into R, print the area of circle is A. Elif choice equal to 4 colon, base equal to int input, enter base of a triangle, height equal to int input, enter height of a triangle. Area equal to base into height divided by 2, print else colon print invalid choice enter. Now click at option file and choose option save as and save your program. Now click at option run and choose option run module. The program is asking to enter your choice. If your choice is 1, program is asking to enter the side of a square. If you enter the side of a square is 5, then the program will print area of a square is 25. Again, run the program. If you enter choice 2, the program will ask to enter length of rectangle. If you enter length of rectangle is 5, breadth of rectangle is 6, then the program will calculate area of rectangle is 30. If you enter choice 3, then program will ask to enter radius of circle. If you enter radius of circle is 2, the program will print area of circle is 12.56. If you enter choice 4, then program will ask to enter base of rectangle. If you enter base of rectangle is 6 and height of rectangle is 10, then the area of triangle is 30, because area of triangle is calculated the base into height divided by 2. I hope that you understand this program very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.